Hey YouTube, it's NowIAmNappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. So this week I will be featuring Irish sea moss. So Irish sea moss is actually neither really an herb and actually really not a moss either. It is technically a seaweed. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So it is all the rage right now. Everybody's talking about using it. Some people say it's the best vegan collagen. It has all these amazing benefits. So let's get started and learn all about Irish sea moss and all of its benefits, okay? So what makes this sea mineral so amazing? Well, it has a high rich mineral content. I'm talking about 92 of the 102 minerals that our body needs to thrive and to live. It also contains many vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, D, E, like all the vitamins that you need. So Irish sea moss has a number of uses outside of just topical like hair and skin, but it's actually rich in iodine, which is commonly used to treat the thyroid. Some of its other uses are, it has many antiviral agents that are great for curing and preventing respiratory illnesses. It can also help cure your skin diseases such as psoriasis, forms of dermatitis, and eczema. And it has a great antimicrobial agent that helps clear bad microbes out of your blood, purifying your blood and helping you to heal and feel better faster. So of course, these are some of the inside benefits. And if you are curious about more of these benefits, check out my blog post. I'll have links and articles to some of these journals that I read these benefits from. And now we can go ahead and move on to the hair and skin, because I know that's why y'all here. So Irish sea moss contains a thickening agent called carrageenan. And a lot of people initially, when you hear that word, you think of many bad things because there is a bad or fake carrageen that's added to products to be a thickener agent. But seaweed is an all natural thickening agent. So it's actually really good to use when you're mixing products because it acts as a natural thickener and actually as a natural emulsifier. So it helps your waters and oils to bind together. This is really great. So if you see products with this, with Irish sea moss in it, you know that's something you want to look into. It also has many proteins that help strengthen and fortify the hair strand. It helps leave your hair strand sleek and smooth with a nice finish. It helps soothe the scalp as well and helps to heal and cure any elements that may be bothering you with your scalp issues, centered around those of dermatitis. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make your own DIY sea moss hair gel, which is different from a DIY sea moss gel. This hair gel is great for soothing the scalp, healing any issues you may have with psoriasis and dermatitis, and promoting hair growth. If you are interested in making your own seaweed or sea moss gel, I'll link another video for you guys to follow. But this recipe is something you can make in your own home once you already have the gel already solidified and made. So you don't want to just add this gel to your hair because it will leave a coating on it, all right? It's very gelatinous when you make it. So it's very, very thick and it doesn't really smooth on application. And a lot of people have stated that they have a film. So this is why I'm creating a DIY hair gel for you to use and have amazing, amazing popping definition. All right, so let's get to mixing. So begin by adding a half a cup of sea moss gel to about a half a cup of water. Let the sea moss gel dissolve into the water. And then begin by adding a quarter cup of my Ayurveda hair loss oil. I will attach the video up top. Next, I add in about a quarter cup of glycerin. And then about 1 teaspoon of raw honey. I'll continue to stir until combined and then let it cool off before adding any essential oils. Once the mixture is cool to touch, I will stir in 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. Okay, so I've put it into this little container here for you guys for ease of application. And I went ahead and dampened my 2 front twists so I can show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna undo my whole entire hair. I just have it in about 20 twists right now. And you should do this on wet hair. Gives me the best curl definition, as you might have seen the picture on Instagram. All right, so I'm gonna tell you more of its benefits while I apply this to my hair. So one of the vitamins I'm gonna talk about in Irish sea moss is vitamin K. It helps to prevent sagging skin, wrinkles, and dark under eye circles. And another great benefit of Irish sea moss is that it is rich in iron. 100 grams of Irish sea moss contains about 49 grams of iron. And iron helps to build hemoglobin in our red blood cells, carrying oxygen and other nutrients to our body cells. And since I am iron anemic, I will be consuming Irish sea moss regularly to help boost my iron levels. Before I go on any further with the other side, I want to show you guys how easy and how defined my curls are, but how easy I can finger detangle. Like, yo, this gel has so much slip. All right, this is the secret, y'all. This is the secret. I'm sharing all my secrets with y'all. Okay, look how defined my hair is. All right, I still got this whole other side to do, but I just want to come on and show y'all. Okay, and I just had the front section left. I want to come on and finish it out for you. Another great benefit of Irish sea moss is that it is rich in taurine, which is a sulfur amino acid, which is perfect for those who are vegan because it is a vegan form of collagen. As we referred to in my previous collagen video, collagen is important for the structure of our cells and bodies and is necessary as we continue to age. I'm gonna let it diffuse maybe for a little bit because it is cool outside, and I'll come back on so y'all can see my curls. All right, you guys, I'm back. It's been about 5 hours and my hair is mostly dry at this point. Let me tell y'all, the definition is crazy. Can y'all see this? Not only that, I have so much movement with my hair. I'm gonna just, and like no frizz. This sea moss styling gel is bomb. Let me know if you guys do try it out. And also I'm going to be doing a sea moss diet drinking journey in which I will be consuming sea moss in my smoothies. And let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. I know it has a lot of iron and a lot of collagen, and I really want to work on keeping my iron levels up. And so if you guys are interested in joining me or curious what I'll be doing, I'll put my sea moss smoothie recipe on my blog, and the recipe for this will also be on my blog and down below. If you guys have any questions. Yeah, if you guys want to see how I'll be wearing my hair for the rest of the week, how well this sea moss styler holds up, you can also check me out on Instagram at NowIAmNappy, and also my blog. You guys, don't forget about my blog. I will list all this information regarding sea moss and all the benefits on my blog as well. It's www.NowIAmNappy.com. I'll put the link down below for you guys. And that's it for this week's Tip Tuesday. I'll see you next time. Bye.